This is Northwest Public Broadcasting's Weekly News Now. I'm Tracy Dial. Thanks so much for joining us. We start with news from the west side of Washington. We're hearing from community members about gaps in HIV care and testing in Pierce County. It has the second highest rate of people living with HIV in Washington, second only to King County. One organization that recently closed was described as a lifeline for people like Hugo Cruz Morrow. He and his husband live in Tacoma, and Cruz Morrow has been living with HIV for nearly 40 years. He says he misses the community the Pierce County AIDS Foundation, or PCAF, once offered.
I've always wondered what happened to if any more people fell through the cracks, and I'm sure they did.
PCAF closed in October after the Washington State Department of Health pulled its contracts with the organization. There were concerns surrounding the org's financials, management, and personnel. You can get the full story at NWPB.org. And a big milestone for the Willow Center in Lewiston, Idaho. It's now been helping children and their families for a quarter century. 25 years of helping kids grieve when they lose a loved one. Here's the center's executive director, Nicole Sokowicz.
Children and adults grieve differently, but then also too, a lot of times children are going to grieve how the adults show grief in the house, right? So kind of taking them outside of that, whether it's at camp or even within our groups, it gives them an opportunity to kind of find it on their own.
She says the Willow Center is the only one of its kind between Boise and Spokane. Hear more about its services on our website. You can listen to or read the full article online. In case you missed it, the Tri-Cities Airport is testing out a greener approach to getting rid of airline de-icer waste. It's pretty interesting. The airport's director, Buck Taft, says he'd heard about this sort of thing at wineries and food processing places. He figured, why not try it? As the airport's grown, so has the amount of its de-icing waste. So now a 6-month pilot project is underway.
This could be a way for us to be sustainable and have it pencil out.
The airport in Pasco used to send the waste to a city facility for disposal, but now the airport is trying these worms. If it all works, that waste will end up as fertilizer, and Tri-Cities Airport is the first in the nation to try it. Learn more about the company behind the project on NWPB.org. There you can also RSVP for a special event coming up in Richland on Tuesday. We'll learn about how data is collected, how it's used, and how it shapes our lives. It's May 21st at 6:30 at WSU Tri-Cities. More details and an RSVP link are online and on social media. I'm Tracy Dial with your NWPB Weekly News Now. Thanks for joining us.